Hi everyone, in this video we'll create model for bookmark features. So bookmark is pretty much the same with like. And so first let's create routes. Sorry, it's in config route.rb. Alright, so in here we have resource bookmark only create destroy and shallow true. Save it. And the relationship of bookmark table is pretty simple. Host has many bookmark and user has many bookmark. So let's create a model. When we use generate model bookmark mark and host reference user reference, enter, and let's check migration. Alright, we good. Then run reuse db migrate. Alright, right, let's see our model. Model bookmark below the post, below the user. Okay, post. Let's check our post. So in post we will create a function is bookmark user and bookmark 5 by user ID post ID. Save it. And for user, so user has many bookmarks. So that's it for this video. Super easy, right guys? See you guys next time.